at a quarterly gathering of our scientific society, the university lecturer said an intelligible reason could be given for his theory of economics, but the universality of its acceptance by economists was not to be expected in our present state of knowledge. Full stop. On a future occasion, he is to lecture on the subject of a minimum wage for workers. Full stop. He is acknowledged to be a capable economist and a most excellent lecturer and writer on the subject, for which his name is famous. Full stop. Paragraph change. The prospectus which you forwarded yesterday, in acknowledgement of mine of last Monday, is unquestionably very unsatisfactory, howsoever it may be considered. Full stop. The amalgamation of two such prodigious concerns is very undesirable, and the intelligence of prospective insurers should warn them of the disadvantages of insuring under their tables. Full stop. In our company, the minimum period for such a policy of insurance is 15 years, and it is questionable if you can secure better terms through any other English office. Full stop. From the enclosed cutting, you will find that the administrator and administratrix, whom you mention, were punished for fraud in connection with the estate. Full stop. Close.